What's up guys, Master Gaming here, welcome to another video. This time, this is going to be more like a trick shot video with the pistols. The double strike, my favorite pistol, and a little bit more basic pistol that holds one dart. It was really supposed to be meant, it's really small, the Jolt. It only has one bullet in it. And look at the difference. Look how big the double strike is compared to the Jolt. It's crazy. So, see you in a minute. I'm going to see if I can shoot down that toy, the little man right here in the middle of the floor, with one of these. We get to attempt both of these pistols. If you want aim, don't buy these. These things don't have aim. And that's a pretty small target, so it might miss. Let's get it. So let's go. Let's see. First try. Oh, that missed. That was a close one, though. Okay. Last shot for the Jolt. If this gets it, that'll be embarrassing. Oh, that was so close. Okay, let's try that. Okay, here we go again. Let's get it. First, we're going to try out the double strike. Let's get it. Miss. That was like a big miss right there. That was so close. Okay, the Jolt. Got it. That was so embarrassing for this gun. This gun is bigger. It has 2 shots. The Jolt that has 1 shot. Got it. Now, we're going to find another toy to hit. Okay, this time we have a way bigger target. So, this is our target. Right here. That's our target right there. We're gonna have to hit it. I bet you we're gonna get this first try. So, yeah. Alright, let's go. Double strike. Okay, I missed that. Got it. Alright. Let's see if we can get it with the Jolt. Obviously, we can. Obviously, we can. That didn't even knock it down. Hold up. We have to give the Jolt another try. It's a baby gun. Okay, we'll give it another try. We're going to shoot it until it knocks down. There we go. Alright, let's just reload this second and find another toy to hit. Okay, our next target is that Nerf ball. Can you guys see it? Hold on, let's move this out here. It's our Nerf ball. So yeah, let's get it. So we got the weapons. Double strike goes first. Oh my god! The camera just got knocked down. Now this. Hold on, 1 second. All right, this target right here is the Nerf ball. Remember, I just showed you guys. Except the camera was kind of like falling over and stuff. So, it's farther away. It is bigger. I was like, yo, why are you hitting a bigger target? So, it is way far away. You guys can't tell. It's super far away. So, I'm just going to try to hit that. I missed. That's that one. Jolt, let's go. Oh, almost got it. It bounced off. That's how I quick travel. That's how I quick travel. Let's go. So, reloading the Jolt and the double strike. I don't know why I just did this. Let me put that back. So, double strike, let's get it. First try. Wow, I almost hit that. Oh my gosh, it's going right over it. Yo, it touched the ground. Alright. Here you go, guys. Woo. There you go. The bullets. Come on, bullets. You can make it. Oh my gosh, that bullet went super far. let me get this. Let's reload the double strike. And the jolt. The jolt goes first. He hits it first try. It hit the ball. You guys didn't even see it. Okay. You guys didn't even see it hit the ball. It hit it. Alright, so let's do it again. Hold up, we missed. Got it. Got it. I got it 3 times. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's find our next target. Okay, our next target is that. Hold up. Can you guys see it? It's this little block. It's right there. If I hit it, that would be crazy because these are some pretty powerful guns and they do sometimes mostly miss. So let's get it. The jolt goes first. Got it. I hit it first try. Okay. Double strike. Ooh, nice. Okay, that was just too easy. Let's try another one. Let's try a different target. Okay, our next target is a little mini skateboard. Can you guys spot it? Okay, it's right here. Right here. This is the mini skateboard that I'm going to be hitting. Let's put it right here. Right there. Can you guys see it? Yep. Alright, let's go. Time for the jolt. Let's go. It missed. But that was close, huh? Now time for the double strike. Oh my gosh. Are you serious, double strike? Okay, let's go. Ooh. Ooh, I hit both of them seconds. Alright, let's reload and try again. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I just did. Okay. We found our next target, a mini skateboard. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold up, let me reload these. Okay, can you guys see? Okay. This is the mini skateboard. I'm gonna put it like this, so you guys can actually see it better. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Let's go. Let's go for the jolt. Wow, first try. Double strike. I missed that completely. Alright, I missed that. Let's try a different target. Okay, our next target is that little man right there. Right here. It's Saga. Alright. The jolt goes up first. That was a headshot. Alright, let's put the target back in place for the double strike. That jolt took like a headshot to that guy. Right, let's go. Double strike. Ooh, that was in the arm. Let's get it. Stand up. The last shot of the video. Let's make it. What? Okay, we need to do that again. The last shot of the video. We need to make it. Boom. Headshot. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you did. If you want more, just leave it down in the comment section below. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. If I don't upload in a day, like I should be uploading every day. If I don't upload every day, that means double upload the next day. And if I don't do it that day, the next day triple upload. And it just keeps on going. Because if I have to do 10 uploads in a day, I will do that. So if I have time, that's one thing. So, well, if I reach 10, I'll just do a live stream. Alright, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh my gosh, why did I just pause the